to start with our one more chapter. Okay, yesterday we have learned Sindbad. Boys, everyone, stop chatting. Stop your chatting and just come to me. This is the explanation time. Whenever I told you to go to the chat box, then only you are going to start chatting. Or else you are going to have your attention towards here. Have your attention. Stop your chatting and just be here. Okay, very good. Should we start with our now? Today we are going to learn about a very good personality from where we can learn too many things. He is the person he is the idol for our whole country, that how we can achieve the goal. Let's learn about him. He is Khashba Jadhav. Okay, now many of you are I'll give you one example that nowadays only we have one movie called what was that name? Movie's name I haven't remember. Just a minute. We have Sultan, and one more picture is there, that Geeta and Babita. Who will tell me? What was the name of that movie? Geeta, Babita, what was that? One I remember, Sultan is there. Dangal. Yes, Hem Tiwari is very good in interested in movies, I think so. Yes. Okay, now stop chatting. Come here. Dangal. Now in that movie, one particular game is being introduced. What is that game? That game's name is wrestling. Yes, the men wrestling and the women wrestling. These are the two different terms they have introduced in the movie. Today, we are going to learn about a person, Khashba Jadhav, who has given a medal to our country in a, he has given our country a medal from which games? Olympic. Yes, in the Olympic game, he was the first person who won the medal. Okay, I'm not talking about the particular thing, but it's Khashba Jadhav, who is the first person from India, and he is from Maharashtra. Teacher, my attention is, my voice is breaking?
No, teacher. Today your voice is not at all breaking.
Then some students are chatting, your voice is breaking, teacher.
No, maybe it's from that side, the network issue.
Okay. Thank you. Students, see that if my voice is breaking, today it's a problem from your side. Just go and rejoin, okay? Let's start with that. Khashba Jadhav. Yes, I'm talking about Khashba Jadhav. In your 3rd standard English, we have 7th lesson, Khashba Jadhav. Now, you will see why these rings are with together. These are the symbol, or these are the things for the Olympic Games. Okay, many countries comes together and they will have the games, the national or international level we have. So these Olympic Games are, so many Olympic Games are there. We are not only wrestling, but the cycling, the gymnastics, the swimming, hockey, everything. Every game is there, and after 5 years we are having Olympic Games. After every 5 years. Let's learn. In the Khashba Jadhav's game lesson, we are going to know that. Now, these are the games which are being played or which are being competed by in Olympic Games. So many games, as I have told you, cycling, swimming, gymnastics, wrestling, boxing, everything. Now, these are the medals which are being awarded, or these are being given by the winner. Okay, in Dangal movie you have seen his goal is to achieve the gold. One sentence he was saying that if you have won the bronze, you have won the silver, you will not make in history. and the history is always being remembered when you earn or when you won the gold medal. That was the goal for him. He want to listen that Jana Gana Mana national anthem on that whole countries, in front of whole countries. That was his goal. So in Olympics we got this type of medals. 3 medals are there: bronze, silver, and the most important, gold. Now let us understand about the Kashba Jadhav. I will just in short tell you the story that Olympic Games are for the sportsman spirit. Many different countries come together and they play the game and they have the honor to be winner. Sorry. Now, what are the games? High jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming, and diving competition, boxing, wrestling matches, and many other things are there. Okay, winners are being awarded by the gold, silver, and bronze. Now, few Indians have won the Olympic medal. Few are they? The first person who won the medal is for independent India. For independent India was the wrestler from Maharashtra. Okay, as I have told you, the wrestler from Maharashtra, and his name was Khashbaz Jadhav. Khashbaz Jadhav was very poor and he was living. Okay, just listen to me very carefully. He is a very poor. He is belonging to very poor family, and he was living in the village called Goleshwar. Okay, in Maharashtra we have Satara district. In that Satara district, a small village Goleshwar. He was belonging from there. His father was also a wrestler. His name was Dada Sahib. What was the name of Khashbaz Jadhav's father? The father's name was Dada Sahib Jadhav. Okay, and he himself was a wrestler. Khashbaz Jadhav is having 5 brothers, and the Khashba was the youngest one. The youngest one was the Khashbaz Jadhav. His father was a wrestler, that's why he started teaching Khashbaz Jadhav plus his other brothers the wrestling, all the bouts, everything in Ardan Pit. Ardan Pit, you know, in Dangal movie when they were training, in the middle of the farm, that person makes one round, that earthen pit. That is called earthen pit. In that, we have to do the bouts. Bouts means what? The competition of wrestling. So that earthen pit is created by the Dada Sahib Jadhav, and he has given the training to all his 5 sons. But became in all these 5 sons, Kashpa was very talented. He was very fond of wrestling. He always won the bouts. He is showing the interest that yes, this was my goal, that I want to become something in the wrestling field. Okay, in the early age, Kashpa loved to watch wrestling bouts. When he was a small, his father was going to many places to see the bouts. For example, in Dangal movie only, I will give you one example that they go to the different place and they start to talk about the wrestling bout, that my daughter wants to play here with the boys, and they disagree, whatever happens. So like this, the Dada Saheb and the Khashbaz Jadhav are going for watching the wrestling bouts. Now, as he was very small, as Kashbaz Jadhav was very small, about 5 years old. Now what? He was not able to see the bouts from standing. His height was very less. So what his father is going to do? He picked him and sitting on the shoulders. He was sitting on the Dada Saheb Jadhav's shoulder, the father's shoulder, to watch the bouts. That much interest he was having. And as he was very youngest, as he was very small, he was very fond of akhada. That earthen pit is called akhada. Now, his father was observing and he's come to know that my son is very much fond of wrestling, and not only in my pit, not only in my akhada, but whenever he goes for the wrestling bouts, he won the matches, and he is only the not only known for one akhada, but the whole area he was famous. He started being famous for the wrestling. Okay, now you will say that Kashba is having only one game interest. No, he was having many games. He loved the sports. Okay, now what are the sports loved by Kashba? The Kashba was fond of kabaddi, malkham, running, swimming, and gymnastics. Okay, you know how to do the running, you know the swimming process, the gymnastics, everything, kabaddi. And malkham is very difficult for all of us, that the stand was there, the wooden stand, and the people do various gymnastic tricks on that. It's a very horrible thing, that how. Hem Tiwari, please check your range, because my voice is coming properly, I think so. Okay, so he was fond of kabaddi, malkham, running, swimming, and gymnastics. And he started to taking parts in that. Okay, he was very fond of that. He loves to discuss the sports with his friend. Whenever he go in with the friends, he started talking that yes, I want to go there. I will win this kind of matches. I will do this. I will do the wrestling. I will do the gymnastic. Everything. Whenever he goes with the friend, he only. Thank you, Stuti Beta. He is only talking about the sports, nothing else. His ambition, his goal was very clear. Have you understood till here? If yes, give me why. The background between how he was fond of wrestling. His father Dada Saheb was the wrestler, and that's why he learned from there. Okay, now this was the background of Kashba Jadhav. Let's see what happened when he becomes the young. Okay, the story moving forward. Okay, now stop chatting and just come here. Okay, let's move forward. Now, as I told you, when he becomes the little bit young, he went to the college. He completed his studies, he completed his interest in the sports, and he went to the college. And the college name was Rajaram College in Kolhapur. He was from the Satara, but he went for the college to Kolhapur, Rajaram College. Yes, stop chatting and come over here. Pay attention. Okay, now in that Rajaram College, the wrestling was encouraged. The sports teacher, the PT teachers were very fond of this wrestling, and they have taken initiative to encourage the students to take part in wrestling, and that's why the students were very much interested. Now, in that college, Kashba took many parts in many wrestling bouts, and he won them all. In that area, he was a champion. In that college, he was known as a champion. And as he was started playing in the college, his college was having competition at the national level. Okay, and one day in that national level champion, he went for the wrestling and he won. Okay, what? In the national level, he won that. State level also, national level, everything. And in the year 1948, when he was in that college, his bout was with the national level champion Niranjan Das. Okay, the Niranjan Das was that time's famous wrestler. He was a national champion, but in 1948, he won the bout with him. He defeated Niranjan Das. Okay, and this was the point, this was the period when he got a chance to move, and he was decided to send, the college decided to send him to the International Olympic Game. Why? Because he has defeated the national level champion Niranjan Das. That's why the college decided that this is the boy who will go for Olympic Games. Now, Kashba took the part in Olympic Games first, but the Indian and national rules are very different. You may have seen in the Dangal movies. Stuti, please join once again, beta. Okay, now the national and Indian and the national rules are
Hello? 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 Hello, Sapna teacher. Sapna teacher, you're not audible.
Am I audible now, teacher? Yes,
Hello?
teacher. Yes,
Yeah,
Sunita teacher.
yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yes.
Sorry for the disturbance. Just a minute. Huh?
It's all right, teacher.
Okay. So what I was telling that the national Indian and the international rules are very different. And Kasba was not fond of that. He was not knowing that the earthen pit becomes the something which is different for this. You know what called? Mm, Am I audible, teacher? Hello?
Yes, now you're audible, teacher.
Okay. So I was telling that he was playing in the earthen pits, but when he gone to the international level, that time he has to play on the mat. You know that mat, the colors red, yellow, and the blue color are there. So that mats are very different from him. He don't know how to play wrestling on that. So because of this weakness, he lost in that. Okay, he has won the matches sixth place out of 42. What was the 42 players? The Olympic Games were held in every 5 years. So when he came back from that thing, he started playing more. He started practicing. And in 1952, again, Kashba wished to take part. He know that this time I know how to play on the mat, how to be with this. So he started with the 1952 he wished, but at that time he has to prove the merit. He had to prove the merit once again, and that was the challenge for him. And in those days, but there was one difficulty for him, that in those days when the traveling and the place where he did have to live, that is mm, spending of money is the spending of money should be done by the person who is going for that game. Okay, so he has to have the money, and as I have told you, he is a very poor person. He's very poor family, so he don't have that much money to go for the Olympic once again. He has to collect some money, but as a student, as a thing, he was not having that much money. So this was the problem for him to go and participate in the Olympic Games. This was the bout when, just a minute, this was the bout when he has defeated in 1942 the national champion Niranjan Das. This is the picture of this. Okay, now let's move forward. Now this was, sorry. Okay, now
Hello? Hello? Hello, Sapna teacher?
where I was, yes, I was talking about the time when Kasparov wished to go for the Olympic once again in 1952, but he was belonging to a very poor family and he don't have that much money to spend. Okay, so the his principal helped him. His principal was not a very rich person, but he sold his own house, and given to Kashba money for the going for the playing. Now, when he gone for the wrestling, okay, there he has to wrestle with the Japan. Okay, with whom he was having, with the Japan. They were both well matched. The Japan was very highly qualified for the wrestling, as well as the Kashba was also giving tough competition in that Japan with the wrestling match with Japan. And the bout was lasted for 15 minutes. The 15 minutes they both are defending and just fighting against each other. The 15 minutes bouts was about to, but anyhow the Kashba lost the match with the 1 point only. Only 1 point he was needed for the winner, but he lost. And as a rule, he has to take 15 minutes break and the second bout will start. But as that, this was the condition where they have decided that again the Kashba will continuously play the second bout with Soviet wrestler. This is also a country where Soviet wrestler, and immediately when he finished with the bout with the Japan, he has to fight with the Soviet Union. But as a rule, he has to take at least half an hour break. But that break was not given to him. We have to, but it was against the rule. But then also Kashba agreed that yes, I'm ready to play this bout with the Soviet wrestler. He started his bout, but anyhow he lost that bout wrestler. Okay, he lost that semi-final round, and he was won the bronze medal by finishing third. He has came third in that. Okay, so the bronze medal was given to Kashba Jadhav. He was honored by the bronze medal in which 1952's Olympic Games. Now Kashba returned from the Helsinki, where he was gone for the Olympic that time, Helsinki in 1952, and he came with the bronze medal. Now this is very interesting that when he came back, as an Indian, we are very much attached with this kind of things. We are very loved that yes, national level we have, international level we have won the bronze, we have won the silver and the gold. So when he returned from Helsinki, that time many people honored him. The people in his villages gave him a grand welcome. Okay, they were waiting that the Kashba is coming back and we will do this, we will do that. And the one important thing what they had, they came with the 151 bullock carts. Okay, they were waiting outside and they have honored him with the 151 bullock carts. Now, and he was carried to his Goleshwar village. In that 151 bout, he was in one of that, he was sitting, and all the other persons, like we have the villages, the sound of dolls and everything was banging, and it was a grand welcome for Kashba Jadhav. Kashba did not forget was who helped him. As an Indian, we are attached with that thing. We never forget who helped us in the difficult situation. So after winning an Olympic medal, he first started playing and he raised the money, but not for himself. He was not playing the bouts for money, but to collect or to raise the money those who have helped him. And who was that? That was the principal, the first person. He sold his house and given the money to Kashba for traveling and for living in the other country. So he remembered that and he collected the money and just a minute. And he gave return back. Okay, Kashba won the great with the Indian country, not even the or facilities. He was not having the facilities in that other countries. Then also he won and he came third. Sportsmen should have the greater honor for their motherland. Yes, do we have the honor? Yes, till today we honored the person who came from the country winning a medal, whatever medal, we are proud of them. This is our motherland which honors. Okay, have you understood? This is the picture of Kashba Jadhav when he came back winning in Helsinki 1952. Okay, he won the bronze medal. Okay, this is the picture where he was standing on the third place. Kashba, you can see Kashba is standing on the third place where he has won the bronze medal. Okay, this is the real story of our Kashba Jadhav. We have to take some kind of inspiration from him. Okay, now it's a time for question answer. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, now tell me how many gold medals were given in Olympics? How many medals? 3. Which are they? Which are the medals given in Olympics? Gold, bronze, silver and gold. Very good. In 1952, in which country Olympic Games were held? In which country the Olympic Games were held in 1952? Helsinki. Very good. How many bouts did Kashba Jadhav win in a Helsinki? Kashba Jadhav won 5 bouts in Helsinki. How many bouts? 5 bouts. Very good. Now, what is the important thing when how did he welcomed by his villagers? How did he welcomed? How did the people in Kashba's village welcomed him? "151 bullock carts were waiting outside the fort and the dhols and nagaras were being played. The grand welcome was there." Very good. What was the name of Kashba's father? What was the name of Kashba's father? What was the name for? Yes, Dada Saheb Mansi. Very good. Very good. Which medal did Kashba Jadhav won? Which medal did he won? Bronze. Very good. Very good. What was the college name of Kashba Jadhav? Last question. What was the Kashba Jadhav's college name? Yes, tell me. Rajaram College from Kolhapur. Very good. Very good. That means you have understood Kasba Jadhav. Now we are going to stop over here. If you have any doubts, you can raise your hand or else just type goodbye and you can leave. I think the time is up. So goodbye all of you. It's a very nice time spending with you. Thank you. Bye. Bye beta. Bye everyone. Okay, bye everyone. Sunita teacher, stop the recording.
Yes, teacher.